Students, in our previous class, we read lesson 6, Vikramaditya, a great judge. Now the time for some exercise, and the first exercise is tick the right answer. And first question is, who was well known for his justice? And the options are A. Vikramaditya, B. Shepherd Boy, and C. King. And the right answer is A. Vikramaditya. Second question is, Vikramaditya was king of which place? And the options are A. Jaipur, B. Ujjain, and C. Gujarat. And the right answer is B. Ujjain. And third question is, which news was spread in the village? And the options are A. A foolish shepherd delivers judgments. B. An intelligent shepherd delivers judgments. And C. A lazy shepherd delivers judgments. And the right answer is A. A foolish shepherd delivers judgments. And fourth question is, was the king worthy to sit on the seat of King Vikramaditya? And the options are first yes, B no, and C don't know. And the right answer is B no. The king was not worthy to sit on the seat of Vikramaditya. And second question is, answer the following questions. And the first question is, where did the shepherd boys take their cows to graze? And the answer is, the shepherd boys take their cows to graze in the pasture land. And second question is, what did the shepherd boy do after sitting on the mount? And the answer is, the shepherd boy became grave and started ordering the other boys after sitting on the mount. And third question is, why did the first angel ask the king not to sit on the seat? Answer is, because the king was not worthy to sit on the seat. And fourth question is, what did the second angel say? The second angel says that if you never wished to own riches not belonging to you, you may sit. And fifth question is, who took the judgment seat away? And the answer is, the last angel took the judgment seat away. Our second question is, fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the box. And first is, there was a pasture land in the village. Second, the judgment was just and well accepted by the conquered despotents. Third, no, I am not worthy, said the king. Fourth, Vikramaditya was well known for his justice. Fifth, the king fasted and prayed for 3 days and came back to the seat to ascend. Our next question is, write T for true and F for false statements. First, the king got the judgment seat flown to his court. It is false. The shepherd boy passed the judgment in such a strange voice that other boys were little frantic. It's true. The angel asked the king to sit on the seat if he was worthy. It is true. The credit for origin of Vikram Samvat goes to the shepherd boys. It is false statements. And now word power. Match the words that go together. One has been done for you. A long. It is match a river. A wild elephant. A sunrise. A woodcutter. A juicy mango. An urgent message. Now your lesson is complete. Today we meet again in our next lesson. Till then, bye.